this is Zippo Trigger again. I got a new video for you with another Zippo trick. This trick goes like this. I will show you how it needs to be, but first the name of the trick is James Bond. Bond with a T, not with a D like it used to, but with a T. Let me do this. This was a different one, but it is very close to the Bond that I'm going to show you now. Do it like this first. Just do this and light it. That's the Zippo trick that James Bond used in his video, and in his movie, of course. One more time, really fast. This was my Zippo vid about James Bond with a T. Cool vid. See you next time.